Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and then launch the Google application. After that, click on the right upper corner and go into the settings. Here just click to the Google Assistant and scroll all the way down to the general options here. And now just to turn off Google Assistant, you should click here on the ones on the switcher and confirm your action by click again to turn off. And that's it. So as can you see, the Google Assistant is successfully turned off. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.